Have you ever seen the iPhone unavailable screen on your device? This message appears when you've entered the wrong passcode too many times. It's actually more common than you think. Maybe you accidentally touched the screen, your child kept guessing the code, or you simply forgot your own lock screen password. But don't worry, I've tested several effective ways to fix the iPhone unavailable screen. In this video, I'll share all of them with you. When your iPhone shows the iPhone unavailable screen, look closely at the bottom right corner. You'll see a small option called Forgot Passcode. This feature will erase all data and settings from your iPhone, including the lock screen password. That means you'll get a clean device, but all your personal data will be removed. So, before you proceed, make sure you have a recent backup of your iPhone. Once you're ready, tap Forgot Passcode on the iPhone unavailable screen. Then tap Start iPhone Reset. You'll be asked to enter your Apple ID password to confirm. If the Forgot Passcode option doesn't work for your iPhone, then try this method using iCloud. On any computer or another phone, open a web browser and go to iCloud.com/find. Sign in with the same Apple ID that is currently logged in on your locked iPhone. After signing in, click or tap on All Devices on the left side of the screen. Select your locked iPhone from the list, then click Erase iPhone. What if you don't know your Apple ID password, or you can't access iCloud? In that case, AnyUnlock is an even better solution. AnyUnlock supports the latest iPhone models and iOS versions. It's specially designed for unlocking iPhones. It's safe, effective, fast, and very easy to use. You can find the official link in the description below. Download and install AnyUnlock on your Windows PC or Mac. Connect your locked iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Launch AnyUnlock and select the Unlock Screen Passcode feature from the main menu. Follow the simple on-screen instructions step by step. Once you confirm, AnyUnlock will automatically start removing the iPhone unavailable screen. The process takes only a few minutes. After it succeeds, your iPhone will restart, and you can set it up as new, without any passcode blocking you. As you may have noticed, all three methods will erase your iPhone's data. That's why I want to remind you one more time. Please back up your iPhone regularly, either to iCloud or to your computer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us create more useful content for you.